Hello everyone, this is Kamran from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. Check out this 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe we have in stock. Now the 4xe is our plug-in hybrid model. You can plug it in, drive it about 40 kilometers on full charge, and if you combine the electric motor with the gas engine like a hybrid, you can go up to 1800 kilometers before you have to fill up your tank. So that means charge it every night and then use it as hybrid, so that way you do get about 4.2 liter per 100 kilometers. Isn't that amazing? That's crazy, right? Now the 4xe also comes with standard LED headlights. This is the Rubicon trim level, so it's top of the line. You do get the 33-inch mud terrain tires. They also do have the snowflake on them, so you can drive them like that in the winter. You don't need to get winter tires. Now this specific one is a used one with less than 10,000 kilometers on it. Nice off-road side steps. One of the top key features that in today is hard to find on 4xe's is this amazing one-touch Skyroof. So with the touch of a button, you can bring it forward or you can bring it back, so you don't need to change the top to a soft top. It's basically the automatic version of it. So nice Rubicon logo on the seat, 8.4-inch touchscreen with navigation and Apple CarPlay. Now part of the off-road package gives you sway bar disconnect and as well as the front and rear axle lock. On the 4xe you do have the automatic 4x4 system, so you can always leave it on that for better gas mileage and to get the best out of your 4x4 system. Now right here are the three buttons where you can pick between hybrid, electric, and the gas, however you prefer to drive. And the specific one, we took the back panels off so you can see how nice it looks when you take these off. So come on in guys, 2021 Jeep 4xe. It's in here in our showroom. I'd love to show you this and may take it for a test drive if you really want to, and then see how you like it. Thanks again, Kamran here from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram.